So we're here with Chris from SNS. Chris, can you shortly explain what SNS storage can do?
Excellent. Thank you, Roger. So we're here in very sunny Las Vegas, here over in the United States. I'm going to show you a little bit about SNS, the sort of products that we sell, and the features that are involved with every box. All we do is shared storage servers, moving video, moving audio around networks very, very quickly. So if I can show you on the screen here, Roger, a few of the bits. We've got a universal front end, which gives us access to all of our user profiles and a lot of the workflow tools. With each of the EVO offerings, EVO is the name of our portfolio, we have a number of features which come with it. We've got the ability to view whatever's happening on the box at any one time. If people are working with Netflix or Amazon, they've got the database built in, so you can link the creatives with the asset files as well, all built in straight away. We've got the ability to add users, very simply, either manually or using Active Directory or an LDAP server. We can go down to really forensic levels of security as well. Apart from the film industry, we deal with governments, we deal with military establishments. So unless you have user access, username and password, you do not get on our system. It's a very, very secure system. We have a number of workflow tools which come with each system. One of them being Slingshot, which is a watch folder-based automation system. It's designed really for moving files around. If you haven't used a file for a month, move it onto another bit of storage. We've also got transcoding built in with this. Because we work with Apple, we have their ProRes codecs built in. It's a case of ingest a file, give me a 422, give me a 444 4K, all built into the box. We have all of Apple's ProRes built in. We have ARRI RAW, we have Red RAW, and we also have B RAW, Blackmagic RAW, all built into the system. One of our biggest selling points really is our MAM, our Media Asset Manager, which is share browsing. So whether you've got video, audio, or still image, everything is indexed and found within the share browser application. I'll show you, for example, let's find Mercedes. Let's use Mercedes as the example. You can type it in, you can search for the files. Once you have the file, you can run the file. We can add subclips within it, so we could call this, I think that's a Mercedes SL500, I could be wrong. Let's say it's an SL500. We can add in and out points. Of course, it would help if I press play as well. Let's have the out point here, and we could call that country roads. So other applications for this could be if it's a sports team, if it's a football club, for example, you could have the clips of the football's name, the footballer's name. You could have, okay, find me all of the throw-ins, find me all the corner kicks, find me all the goals. And they're all, if you look now here, added as subclips. So very easy to search for the files online. All of these video files, once you found them, are linked in with Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects, Blackmagic Resolve, Apple Final Cut X. We've got this software built into those applications. So whilst you're editing, you've got access to all of the clips that your administrator has given you access to. We also have the ability to move files around. We have integration with Box. We have integration with OpenDrive. We have integration with the S3 accounts. So moving files around, either backing up or bringing them back over, very, very simple to do. Most companies now are working globally, or people are working from home. So the third workflow tool we have is called Nomad, which is a remote working facility. So let's say we have, worst case scenario, COVID again. Doesn't matter. We can work at home, we can log into the system, you can work remotely from wherever the EVO is. And that really, in a nutshell, is the SNS EVO ecosystem.